Har du waya brynja blan the finning name of the land in Tinarandal? Op a pinyalam the van and a kuagashi him sudak mission in wash. A bait the moko singular the wakanya just should come a shabalas nabra. Water took a job, lock took a more meg, a scaval be a durish to mugri. That chief and joyly she's got 3 years, the can work at you. Water took a job, lock took a more meg, a scaval be a durish to mugri. Bimalago Kilburn Road, all the doos and like Banyun. Water took a job, lock took a more meg, a scaval be a durish to mugri. Oh, why you bring your blood, the vinning name of the land and the Yarandal. Of a pinyalam the van and the kuagashi him sudak mission all in wash.
The next song is one that went down very well when we toured the States about 7 or 8 weeks ago. And one of the reasons is it is called Antillan Ur. And Antillan Ur is the name or the term given to America by Donegal and Ulster people when they had to leave their country at the turn of the century. In translation, Antillan Ur would mean the new island or the newly found island. So a song called Antillan Ur.